So guys, there's a great Easter egg for the Steam controller where it screams when you drop it. So to get this, I've seen some conflicting stuff about it. Some people say the controller has to be turned on, but I found it's not the case. What I did is first connect to the puck. You're then going to go into big picture mode. Select the Steam button. You have to download the update for the Steam controller and the puck. Okay, so next you're going to drop the controller. Moving my MacBook. So the drop has to be at least a few feet. It does not happen every time, but every few times. Another angle. Just be careful, they may have done this to get people to buy more controllers. Alright guys, thanks for watching.